This is a product account, so it's only fair to talk about the Twitter product roadmap. A disclaimer, a product roadmap is in no way a commitment to what the company will deliver to its customers. The development of this roadmap will follow very agile practices, and at any given time, the CEO of the company may change the product roadmap, especially to misalign with customer feedback. Number 1, there are plans to revive Vine. This is pretty much the extent of the information I can find on this. It sounds like it's in early planning and discovery. Very curious how this will play out considering the competition in this space from other platforms today. Secondly, we have Notes. Notes was Twitter's long-form content feature not released too long ago. It's rumored to be on indefinite pause. Instead, there seems to be some kind of pivot from Notes to the ability to attach long-form text to tweets. I'm a little bit confused about what this means, whether it's the same or a newer version of Notes, or if it's in fact quite different. I don't know if there is customer feedback on this. I personally love screenshots of Notes. Next, Review, Twitter's newsletter, is rumored to be shutting down by the end of the year. I also believe this was acquired not very long ago. Next, Twitter's crypto wallet product is rumored to be halted. I'm not 100% about this one because in late October this was still a thing, and in early November it's apparently halted, so time will tell. Pretty sure everyone knows the next one, but charging for verification is coming. If you already had a blue check mark, fine, but from now you must pay $7.99 a month for Twitter Blue to get the blue check mark. Oh, and Super Follows, which is limited to a test group right now, is rumored to be replaced by subscriptions or Twitter Blue. Newsflash, Twitter Blue is currently on hold after just being launched. Next, paywall video posts could be a thing. Twitter takes on OnlyFans. Last but not least, there is an idea to let people pay to DM high-profile users. I'm really curious what high-profile means and whether the high-profile user would set their own pricing or if it would just be standard pricing for everyone.